Hi everyone, I'm Eric Rakers with the Rakers Home Group, and welcome back to another episode of New Home Communities. Today we're exploring a hidden gem right here in Green Cove Springs, the Rookery by Horton Express Series. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or just looking for some more space, a home that has smart features, this one's worth checking out. But let's pause for a minute. If you're looking for a new home, whether it be a new construction or a resale home, download the Rakers Home Group search app. It's going to help you find everything that you need. So today, we're going to take a look at this community, tour their homes, and of course, I want you guys to stay to the end of the video where we're going to discuss current builder incentives. The team and I are dedicated to providing all of the latest information on all the new communities in the area. So if you're enjoying these videos like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest new communities here in Northeast Florida. So let's get started.
Rookery is more than just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. Nestled in scenic Clay County, it strikes the perfect balance of peaceful living and modern convenience. You're zoned for top-rated Clay County schools just minutes from Fleming Island shopping and dining, and you'll soon have quick access to US 17, making your commute a breeze.
These homes are designed to impress. Open concept layouts, spacious living area, gourmet kitchen, and luxurious bedrooms. Plus, they're loaded with smart home features and energy-efficient systems, so you're saving money and gaining peace of mind.
You're also getting some incredible amenities: a resort-style pool with a splash pad, a fully equipped fitness center, a playground, dog park, green space galore, and let's not forget the Wading Bird Sanctuary View home sites. Nature lovers, this one's for you.
Well, let's dive in and check out what the Rookery is all about.
Let's do it.
Hi, welcome to the Hayden. This is a 2-story home with 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and it's 24.99 square foot. Let's take a look around. Welcome to the Cali model. This 1-story home is 4 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and just over 1,800 square feet. Let's take a look around. So let's recap. Rookery offers modern homes, family-friendly amenities, and a location that puts you close to it all. It's one of Clay County's most exciting new developments, and it's growing fast. Right now, D.R. Horton is offering builder incentives like credit towards closing costs and more, making it even easier to make your move. If you want more information or want to schedule a private tour, don't wait. Visit our website at movewithrhg.com or contact us directly. We'd love to help you find your next home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new episode of New Communities. And we'll see you in the next neighborhood.